Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. So, this video is going to be very comprehensive. It's about how to make $10,000 a month. So, over the course of the last 10 years, I've been trying to make some money online. To be quite frank with you guys, I haven't really gotten to a place where I'm too happy, but I've learned a lot of, I have some pretty good insight because of the last 10 years. I've learned a lot of things. So, number one thing I'd like to say is that starting a business online is very difficult. However, what's harder is to do a 9 to 5 that you don't enjoy doing. That's always going to be the hardest thing. Now, over the last 10 years, I haven't hit 10K. I will soon, but I'm not there just yet. However, the lessons I learned are uh, they're priceless. So I just think it's started, and the reason why I'm recording this video is to really pass it down, to really pay it forward to whoever might be stuck on the earlier side of this journey. So just to cover some basics, I started a YouTube channel and grew it to 20,000 subscribers. 20K subscribers in 2018. Then I went ahead and I did some drop shipping, which, to be honest with you, it wasn't a crazy huge success, but it was still something. So I did YouTube. I have an art channel, and I dabbled around with some drop shipping. And then in 2022, near the end of 2023, I got into SMMA. I sent over 1,000 outreach messages manually. I got a few clients. However, SMMA was something that just wasn't panning out for me. I was also getting married at the time, so I really had to let it go. So those are the credentials I have to share with you guys. What makes me a little bit, I guess, viable to speak about this matter. So the biggest realization I've had of regarding the last 10 years is that I don't think the vehicle matters. I don't think the method matters. I really don't think it matters, to be honest with you guys. I feel like you could probably find success in just about anything. The only thing it takes is to truly transform. I read this thing the other day. It says, in order to make 10K a month, you need to become a 10K man. And there's a lot of things that entail that, to be honest with you. A YouTube channel, a shipping business, or an SMMA agency, all three of these things can get you there. However, the thing is, and everybody knows of these, these are not some hidden secrets or things that only a certain few people know. You can find content about starting a YouTube channel, starting a dropshipping business, or doing SMMA. You can find that everywhere. So how come there's not more successful people? Well, the reason is, like I said, you have to become the 10K man. And in order to become the 10K man, there's some transformations that you need to go through. You have to change your mindset. However, there's a couple of major things that I've noticed in people that are highly effective with their time. All right, so let's get into that. The key, I've written this down, so I'm kind of reading it too at the same time. So the key trait I've noticed among successful people is sheer discipline of getting things done, along with other things that promote constant mental clarity. So having your brain on one track and really clear is super important. And along with that, having sheer discipline is super important. Because without those two things, no matter, even if I gave you a complete blueprint on what to do, you wouldn't make it. It wouldn't work for you, or for me, or for anybody. Literally, Steve Jobs could come to your house, live with you, and if you're lacking discipline, and if you're lacking mental clarity, it's not going to change anything. So, in order to get to the next level, in order to raise the bar, that's what you have to do. You need to make sure that you have discipline and mental clarity. And then there's other things. For example, if your health is suffering, if you're overweight, if you're not eating right, not getting enough sleep, these things affect you. Even if you somehow manage to put together some sort of mental clarity, some sort of discipline, if you are suffering in some other major area of your life, for example, you're getting into big fights with your spouse or your significant other, then that's going to take it. It's going to be taxing on you. Or let's say you're really overweight and you can't really move and you're having a hard time breathing. Well, sheer motivation and discipline, it's not enough. You got to take care of that problem. So most of us have problems in our lives. And I feel like this is why we are oftentimes stuck. Now, obviously, there's sheer discipline, there's mental clarity. You also need a constant drive and a will to learn and improve and execute. So be clear in the brain, have a discipline that's huge. Make sure you are willing to learn and improve. Don't give up on learning new things. Don't sell yourself short at a certain place that you got. You got to keep moving forward. So that's it for this video. It's more of a talk. I'll be making more videos about what I really do. Right now I'm doing some ghostwriting on LinkedIn and Twitter. So I have a few things that I'd like to share on this YouTube channel, but I'm not here to sell anybody anything. The main thing I'm here to do is grow my own business, so hopefully get some clients, and to maybe give some insight to somebody, maybe myself. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do so, and hopefully these videos will get better and better. I am super awkward on camera. I don't do this. Thank you.